Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. And guys, don't forget we do have active giveaways. So the two active giveaways we have one that is our huge holiday collab giveaway with Samantha Sweets. I will make sure there's a link down below for that in the description box, and also for our 48-hour flash thankful giveaway that will also be linked down below. That does end tonight, Sunday the 15th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely make sure you check them both out and enter if you have not already. But today we have another bag from Thrift-A-Bag. Now, as I explained in last month's video, the subscription is actually no longer available. However, you can still purchase bags or handbags and different types of purses and wallets and different items from the owner of Thrift-A-Bag. She does have an eBay store, and she sent me another bag this month to share with you guys. And this is actually, it's a Sack Roots by The Sack. This one is, it says Fun Eclectic Hobo Style Tote. Now this one is brand new. This is the Sack Roots Artist Circle Roma Shopper Bucket Tote. That is a mouthful. But it is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, this is a brand new bag. It does still have the tags. I just went ahead and took it out of the box. But you can see here, I love this bag. It does have the bottom. On the back side here is a zipper compartment, and the front has this super cute little keychain here with the tassels and this beautiful little elephant guy. Definitely very bohemian and hobo. I think it is beautiful though, and I think with the coloring of this particular bag, this bag could be used year-round. This could be used in the summer and in the fall and winter. I just think it is beautiful. It does have magnetic closure, so you can close it that way, and it has snaps where you can kind of cinch it in and close it this way as well. You can see that there. And then there is another zipper compartment inside on this side right here, and then the other side has a couple little compartments where you could slide like your phone or something for easy access. Y'all, I just think this bag is stunning. I mean, it's just, and I wouldn't think I would normally go for a bag like this, but this is just beautiful. Like, I think this bag is just beautiful. I love the little tassels, but it's the neutral colors and then just the style and the size of the bag that I love. I'm a mom, so I love and need a little bit larger bag. And I will definitely be getting use out of this because I think, like I said, it's just simple but kind of fun and classy in my opinion because it's such neutral colors. But again, because of the size and everything, you're going to be able to fit whatever and anything in there. So, you know, definitely if you're a mom, that's a great thing. So I do know she actually got a shipment, I believe, maybe a few more of these and some other bags from Saks. She does have a wide variety of bags. I know she also has gotten wallets before, backpack type bags. I even got a lunch tote from her one time. Now that was all in the subscription. I'm not sure that she has that available on eBay, but I will definitely put the eBay link down below. Using that link will actually save you 10% off any purchase of $5 or more. So that's really awesome. And you can expect, you know, to see bags from brands like The Sack, Michael Kors, Vera Bradley. My mind just like went blank. Coach. So you're going to see designer bags, or brand name bags, not designer bags. You're not going to see Louis Vuitton or Hermes or anything like that, but you will see Michael Kors and Coach and fun bags like that. So I definitely recommend Thrift-A-Bag. I mean, even when a bag is not brand new, you don't know that it's not brand new. It is stunningly perfect. That is something that she does, and I think she does immaculately, because like I said, I have received used bags before and you would never know. Not a single scratch, buff, anything. You would never know that it was a pre-owned bag. Now this one, like I said, because it does still have the tags on it, this bag is $78. So that's the value of this bag. If she's got this bag or one similar on her eBay page, she's not selling it for $78, but know that it's a $78 value. So you definitely cannot beat that. And then, like I said, with the link down below, I don't make any money from it. It's just for you guys. You save an extra 10% off any purchase of $5 or more. So all of that will be down in the description. I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you thought of the bag. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful weekend, and a special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. It means more than you know. And guys, just to each and every single one of y'all that take the time to watch my videos, I just thank you. It means a lot, and I appreciate it. I love y'all. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your weekend. Don't forget about the 2 giveaways, especially the one ending tonight. So you want to make sure that you do get entered into that and have a chance to win a box full of makeup and goodies. So I hope, again, you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.